Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to create your ZoomZoomZoom using Photopea.com, which is kind of like Photoshop. So what you do is you'll type in Photopea.com and we will go ahead and open a new project. For this new project, please name your initials, Zoom. We are going to use inches and you are going to make yours 8 by 10 inches. We want to use 300 dpi so you have good resolution, white background, create. And here I have my image. You can go view, zoom in, zoom out, fit to area so that you can see a little bit more. This is your background. Then what you'll do is you'll go File, Open, and Place. You want to make sure that you know which image you're going to use and where it is before you start. Mine is on my desktop and it's called Zoom Image. So that will open in a new layer. When you open that, you'll need to rasterize that layer. So make sure that it is selected and then you're going to do Layer, Rasterize, right? Now, if you don't see these kind of transform controls to move things around, this is the box that you'll select. We're going to use the marquee tool. If you hold this marquee tool down, you'll get different shapes, right? Either a rectangle or an ellipse. We're going to just do a rectangle. I'm going to kind of like these little coils right here. So I'm going to select that area. So once I have that marquee selected, what I'm going to do is go Layer, New, Layer via Copy. And that just copies that one little area. Then I'm going to choose this Move tool. Remember, if you can't see these little move transform controls, click this box right here. I'm going to hold down Shift so that it doesn't get distorted. And I'm going to create a zoom. Then I'm going to move it somewhere where I think it might be interesting. Now notice that I'm looking at continuity of line where it's kind of continuing right here and it's continuing on this side and this side. Now if I want to create another one, I'm going to select the larger image layer down here and I will show you what an ellipse tool looks like. Now if you don't hold down Shift, then you'll get an oval, right? But if you hold down Shift, or you can always go Edit, Undo. If you hold down Shift in the ellipse tool, then you get a circle. Now remember, what you're going to do is go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy, and then you'll have this new layer. You want to select that layer to manipulate it, the Move tool, hold down Shift, and then you can make this. You can also kind of hover in on that side, right, with this kind of crooked arrow and move it around or rotate it and have some fun with things. After you make a movement, you do need to choose yes, I want this or no, I don't, right? And then you're good. This has 3 different zooms, the original, the second one we made, and the third one we made. And so you can have a lot of fun with those. When you are done, make sure that you save it. And what we're going to do is export as a JPEG. You'll name it, that'll be the height, and you will save it. Now that JPEG is what you will upload to the shared folder so that your teacher can print out your image. You'll then put a grid on this and use it to transfer the drawing.